Hi students, it's Mrs. Durst and we are in video 4 of our Blue Dog project. So I'm going to visualize the pieces of materials that we'll need for this part, and I'll work it through with you. So take a look at what's going to happen, and remember, I've recorded my voice talking through these instructions in my Canvas page for this lesson. So that might be helpful as well. So let me share my screen with you. All righty, here we go. So here is my blue dog. He is all cut out. You can see where I had my paint mixing experience. I have my nose cone, or my nose. It kind of looks like a turkey leg. That will lay here on my dog eventually. I need a Sharpie marker, okay? I'd like you to find a small black rectangle and 2 yellow circles like this, and you'll need some scissors, okay? So what we're going to do first is take our time with our Sharpie marker and make sure you have a protected system where you're going to do this, because you're going to be right on the edge of this dog with your Sharpie, and you don't want to get it on your mom's table or your dad's desk. So make sure you just go over the edge of your dog with that Sharpie marker. So I'm just putting a little bit of a dark line. I'm just coloring in it, and what I'm doing is outlining the shape of my dog. And see, I got a little on my scratch pad there, but that's okay. But as you can see, I'm just taking a nice little line all the way around the edge of my dog, and I'm going to do the whole dog just on the outlines. Okay, so do that, and then when you're done with the outlines, I would really like you to come over. Let's do our nose. So our nose for our dog looks like this. So I'm going to put a nose right about here on my dog's snout. And I'm going to color that in nice and dark. And I'm going to give my dog a little smile. Maybe I'll give this guy a few little teeth, just for something fun to look at. So if you look at your dog's face, there's his nose and his little cute little mouth. And you don't need to put teeth. They look super cute without teeth. And then this is going to be glued right about there. Okay? So what I want you to do next is you turn your nose over. And because I'm on a protected surface, I can take my glue and run it onto the nose. You don't need a lot of glue, but enough that it'll stick, just like that. And you want to just sort of gently place it, just like that. And then you just gentle, super gentle, you kind of smooth that piece right onto your dog. And I smooth it for a few seconds because that helps the glue embed itself into the paint. Okay, so there it is. It's all on there now. Now what we want to do is take our glue, and we're going to take these little yellow dots. I'm just going to put a tiny little glue on that and put one there, and a tiny little bit of glue on there and put one there. So you want them spaced out a bit. You don't want them right on top of each other. Those yellow dots should have a little space in between. Okay, so take a Sharpie marker, and I'm just going to put a circle, a tiny circle in the middle of my yellow dot, just like that. I'll even bring it up close so you can check that out. Yep, super simple. Now I'm going to use some scissors, and I'm just going to cut out around this circle. And I want to leave some black. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. In fact, it's better if it's kind of a funky shape around that eye. But I'm letting some black show around the yellow circle like that. And I'm going to do it on this one too. And they don't have to be exact. In fact, it's better when they're not. All right, and there's that one, just like so. Okay, now I'm going to take my glue again, and I'm going to glue these cute eyes right in that space. Now let me show you where I'm gluing these eyes. These eyes are going right where the nose starts to go in. Okay, so that's how we glue on our nose and eyes for our dog. And don't forget to take that outline all the way around. I just wanted to save a little time in doing this. Okay, best wishes.